So this is our bat kit. So this is, if you're out at night looking for bats, they find their way around using echolocation, so they're using sound. Sometimes it can be difficult to spot the bats, so sometimes being able to hear them is a big advantage. So we have, in our bat kit, we have this, the bat detector. So the idea of the bat detector is the bats are making noises at a very high frequency. So this converts the sound into something that's an audible frequency that we can actually hear it. So it's quite simple. On the side we have our volume switch, so this actually turns it on, and this is our frequency. So different bats will echolocate at different frequencies, and so this will kind of, when you turn the dial, it'll tell you what frequency you're listening at, and then if you know what bats you're looking at, what you're looking for, then you can adjust that up and down. To help you know what you're looking for, we have this identification guide to Ireland's bats. So we have 9 different species of bats in Ireland. It'll tell you what frequency the bats are on. So a lot of our bats will be kind of between 45 to 55 kilohertz, and then we have the Leisler's bats that are lower than about 25. But also, which is very handy, there's a little QR code here, and if you scan that, you can actually get a sound recording of what the bat sounds like on the bat detector. Also, when you're out at night, you will often encounter some moths. We have an awful lot of moth species in Ireland, so this does not cover all of them, but it has some of the more commonly encountered ones, the ones that you're more likely to see and that you're able to distinguish from each other. We have a plastic pouch just to keep the bat detector in, to keep it dry, although it's not something that you will be doing much at night or in wet weather, because bats will generally not fly when it's wet. They actually can't keep themselves warm. They're not going to be able to get enough food to sustain themselves in wet weather. So generally on a dry night is when you're going to find them.